If you keep frantically searching कि कहीं तो होगा राजीव खंडेलवाल, so here at Inox we have Rajiv Khandelwal and he's talking about his upcoming film Fever. Sir, why Fever?
Why fever? Why not fever? Fever is the expression of inner rage. That's not what I said. Julia Roberts said. What I say is fever is the angst within. So fever because it's a very original script. Fever because this is first of its kind in terms of thriller, suspense thriller. Why fever is because you will not get to see a better thriller for many months, let's not say years, because they're great filmmakers, but then this one will remain with you for a very long time.
Okay, you started with romance on TV screen and then Aamir was a phenomenal film. But then Table Number 21 was a phenomenal film. So why suspense always on big screen?
Well, I realized much later when I was romancing, I thought, I probably must have thought only about romance, but much later I realized that romance can be really thrilling. so I decided to enjoy the thrill part of romance, I guess, or just the thrill part. And here I am doing thrillers. I think I discovered a different genre of films post Aamir. When I did Aamir, I realized that there could be films which have a very different way of storytelling, content, and romantic films. Of course, I got a lot of romantic films, but then I could never get something which really appealed to me. I mean, I know it's easier and nicer to do a romantic film, and you get more attention from women, which every guy wants and likes. But then I don't think I was really looking only for attention from women. I wanted appreciation from women as well. So. And of course the audience who follow my work. So for me it's about content, it's about storyline, it's about a film that can really have a shelf life, something that remains with you for long. And the day I get a romantic film that appeals to my senses, I'll be very happy to be a part of it.
Okay, talking about women, there are 3 super sexy ladies with you in the film. So how was it working with them?
It was fantastic working with them, and I'm sure it was fantastic for them also to work with me. It was great. Yeah, I'm just hoping. So yeah, so it was great because all 3 of them are super talented as well, super confident as well, super brainy as well, and super hot as well. So I think I had the best of women working on this film, and we had a great time. I mean, we really had a great time. You know, when you meet people like Katrina Moreno, when you meet someone like a Gemma Atkinson, and of course Gauhar Khan, who are women of substance, you know, they define today's women. I think you fall more in love with women.
Okay, I got through a news somewhere that you have got a singing fever also in the film. So would you like to croon a bit? Just a line or 2?
Yeah, I did sing a promotional song for the film along with Rahul Jain. Actually, Rahul Jain, the singer and composer of the song, made me sing, and which I don't think should be called singing. It should be just called an attempt. It's not an easy song, so if I start singing, I'll really have to take my voice to that scale. But I'll sing another song from the film. Mile ho tum humko बड़े नसीबों से चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से. Yes, please keep watching filmybeats.com.
Okay guys, thank you. This is Trisha Gaur signing off for filmybeat.com.